Hey man, what happened? What's going on?
He just punched me so many times on my purse.
What?
Get my purse.
What happened?
Right here.
He just started attacking me.
Who did?
That man in the car.
The gray car was just pummeling her in the face. I was
Do you know who he is?
No.
Man, what's your name?
Why do I have to give him my name? He attacked me. Look at my face.
Yeah, because you're a victim. I need your name if you're a victim and want to pursue charges.
He attacked me.
What happened? You were just walking and this guy popped out of a car?
This way and he stopped his car.
Uh-huh.
And I told him I'm gonna call my boyfriend, step away from me. And he just started wailing punches at my face. And I said, I'm gonna call my boyfriend Marshall on you, fucking step back. I don't know who you are.
Uh-huh.
And he just started punching my face. Look at my face.
He jumped in the passenger side of his car to get away from him, and that's when he really went. He's kicking her, and she tried to get and shut the door.
Uh-huh.
Didn't.
Look at my face.
Did you see which way this guy went?
He's right there.
Where?
That man's next to the
That officer's talking to?
Yeah. Look, I'm all covered in blood and yeah. That's him. I don't even know who he is. He's like, you, I'm gonna hurt you. And he just started wailing punches at me. And I tried to defend myself and he kept hitting me. He was using his car against me and he assaulted me, sir.
In what way? Like, what was he doing?
He was using his car and he uses his fist and every other weapon he had in his car against me. Look at my face.
Did he hit you with the car?
Yes.
He drove the car at you and hit you?
Yes, he hit me. And I stopped and I said, what
Ma'am,
the
did you see what happened?
We were driving.
do what you're gonna do. If not, I'm leaving.
Ma'am, take a
I
seat.
don't need to talk to you.
Take a
today.
seat.
Okay, come here. Let's try to figure out.
Hey, bud.
Come here.
You said you guys were just driving past?
Yes, we were driving and we saw him punching her and punching her in the face. That's why we pulled over. And she was like running around the car. But he was ripping off her shirt.
Uh-huh.
So I got up and I said, hey, stop it. You go over there and you go over there. And she kind of came this way.
Okay.
So
And you said, like, he told you guys that he started doing that because of a dog?
he was, right now he was yelling that she got my dog, she got my dog. And then the other gentleman was saying, what dog, dude? You didn't even have a dog.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not exactly sure if there was a dog involved.
Okay.
She's got a mental illness. She's schizophrenic.
Uh-huh.
I don't know who that guy is, but I think she had words for him, and he just was like, "F that, I'm beating her ass." And she wasn't swinging back. She was getting her ass beat.
All right.
Yes. Well, my name, you just come over here and get my testimony.
Cool. All right. Appreciate it, guys.
I know she's disturbed, but come on.
Yeah.
She's going to do that.
Stand over here so I can talk to you.
Hey man, I gotta find my little chihuahua, dude. She threw my chihuahua. It's 14 years
okay.
old. And my little dog's scared, man.
Okay.
She bit me.
All right.
Look.
Okay. What started this whole thing? The dog?
No, her
What?
dumping that trash in front of my car.
Okay.
I swerved out. I said, man, what are you doing, man? It's a big thing. You mother... Bam, she looked at my door. That's $1,000 for the damage, man.
Talking about your passenger door,
The dent,
door right
man.
there? Okay. And then what happened?
Then,
Take a breath. You want to go stand in the shade over here?
no, I want my dog, man.
Where's the...
I don't
the dog
know.
take off to at?
I have no clue, man. My dog's scared of flies, man.
Okay.
Can I
So,
pull the car out so the traffic can go?
is there any weapons inside of the vehicle?
No, no, no.
Go ahead and move it out of the way.
Yeah.
Just pull it over here.
Yeah, I will.
What happened after she kicked the door?
I got out of the car and I said, get the f away from my car. What the f is the matter with you? And every time I try to get in the passenger seat to drive away, or the driver's seat to drive away, she can run over, open the door. She grabbed my keys, throws them. She picked my little dog up, threw against me. She hit the ground. I don't have no clue where she went because she's really a scared little dog, man.
Okay. And then what happened after
Then
that?
she comes and grabs, and I fucking punch her, man.
How many times did you hit her?
Oh, I don't know, man. Every time she footprint, I slapped her in the fucking face. Get the f away from my. Then she goes back. She's gonna tear my plate off.
Okay.
Probably my dog's injured. She only weighs 4 pounds.
How do you know
I
her?
don't know that whore, man.
You don't know her at all?
Hell no. Look at this shit, man.
Well, do you want to get that checked out or not?
No, man. It's just superficial.
So you gonna want to do anything as far as any
What
of
am I
this?
gonna do unless she had AIDS?
I don't know what else she told him, but I've got to talk with these other
Yeah.
people because all I've got is your
Yeah.
statement at this
Well,
point.
everybody says, man, don't hit a woman. F you, man. Let her come over and kick your car in.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen a bunch of thieving bastards, thieves and cheats and liars. Oh, man, don't tell me that she got my brand new phone, dude.
Did you take it?
I don't know if it ain't there. There it is.
You got it? Alright. Do you want me to take photographs of your injuries in the vehicle real quick, or do you want to take off to and look for your dog?
Dude, she's got to be here. Somebody's going to steal her, dude.
Okay, I'm saying, do you want me to take photographs, or do you want to go look for the dog?
Yeah, go ahead and take your photographs.
Alright, go ahead and stand right up here for me. Face this way. Huh? Where do you live at?
Right there.
Do you want me
My
to take?
keys are in his property. I don't
What
have my
keys?
keys. Please get my keys, sir.
What keys?
They're pink and they have New Mexico, what do you call it? The dispensary.
Go stand over there by that trash can.
Yeah,
I'll be
give
with
my
you in a
keys,
second.
please, sir.
I will look and see if they're in
Take
there.
a picture of his, please.
Don't worry. Go over there.
I'm gonna get my...
Do you know where her keys are at? Do you know where her keys are at?
Who knows, man? I ain't seen nothing. Look, there she did. This is what she did. And this is dump it out.
Stop doing that.
That's what she did in front of my car. That's the only reason why I stopped.
What's up? That's
Sit
my
down.
trash can.
Sit down.
He took my keys.
Sit down.
Look at my face, sir.
I see your face. Sit
I'm
down.
calling Marshall.
Sit down.
Call my boyfriend.
Sit down or you're going to be put in
Marshall.
handcuffs.
Call my boyfriend, Marshall.
I'm not going to call your boyfriend.
My keys are gone.
No, I'm not going to call your
and
boyfriend.
my property's gone. And my boyfriend's right there across the street. Call Marshall. This guy attacked me. Look at my face.
You going to pick this up or you going to go to jail?
I'll pick it up. Yeah, I'm going to pick it up. Okay. Tell Marshall I'm looking for him.
Okay.
These motherfuckers did something else. I ain't afraid of you motherfuckers. The money. I'm taking those for anyway.
Do you want to go to the crisis?
I'm not going to.
No, I'm saying, do you want
I didn't even touch nobody.
Take a seat.
I'm sorry. Tired to go home.
Take a seat.
I need some water.
You're not going to get water right now. Take a seat.
No, alright. Alright. People can attack me, but I can't get water.
So, why did you go up to this gentleman's vehicle and kick his
didn't.
door?
I didn't.
Well, I have witness.
He got out and hit me. He has no physical assaults to him, sir, Mr. Renthia.
He does. He has blood on him,
No,
Miss.
he
But what
Because
I'm
he
asking
hit
you,
my face.
what I'm asking you, Miss, is why did you go up to his vehicle and kick his door?
Renthia, if that's what you believe, then do what you need.
Well, I have multiple witnesses that say
Well,
that.
I'm telling
okay?
you.
Sit down. Sit down.
It's hot.
Sit down.
I can't sit there.
Sit down.
It's hot.
Go ahead.
What's his name?
I don't know what his name is, man.
I don't know who he is either.
Just go ahead and stand right here on this little slab right here, okay?
I'm weak, sir. I don't have any strength in my legs. I have to sit down. I just came out of the hospital not too long ago. Can I sit down?
That's fine.
Thank you.
You have any other questions for me?
No, I'm sorry that you had to be called out right now. I don't know who he is.
Okay.
I don't know why you attacked me.
All right, man. Well, I would recommend that you probably try to get somewhere safe, probably go inside somewhere. Do you have any other questions for me, man?
No, sorry.
Okay. All right.
Thank you for this guidance.
Yes, ma'am. What are you planning on driving down the store to look for your dog, or what are you gonna do?
Dude, she went. She must have went. My dog's. She's scared of mice, man.
What does it look like?
To run nowhere.
Do me a favor and go wait over here in the parking lot, and I'll drive down and look for the dog real quick. Do you happen to see where his dog went by chance?
I don't see no dog.
Okay.
From the beginning, I didn't see no dog.
Well, he's claiming that she took his dog and threw it at him.
She hit him with a shoe.
Oh,
She took off her shoes, slammed him, hit him in the stomach.
yeah, he's thinking it's his dog. I don't know.
Started.
Uh,
He was driving up. She threw a trash can at him. He stopped. She went on and kicked the door.
yeah.
And then he got out. And then she slapped him.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate it.
Baby.
So, real quick, sir. The gentleman over here that saw the whole thing from the start to
He
breaking it
saw
up.
the whole thing.
Right, no, he's saying that he never saw the dog. He said she took off a shoe and threw it
God,
at
my
him.
dog rides on the center console. She picked my dog and threw it, and it hit me and fell down. And my little dog is too little to treat like that, man. I ain't never even spanked that dog before in my life.
All right, well, let me go drive down that way and see if I can
It's gonna be around in here.
find the dog.
Yes, sir. 55 State.
While the officer was driving around searching for the missing dog, dispatch advised Gabriel was now throwing rocks at residents and tipping over trash cans in the middle of the street again.
Where's the guy at? I'm calling your sheriff right now.
Put your phone down.
I'm calling your sheriff
Put your phone
right
down.
now. I'm calling your sheriff right now. Don't touch me. He attacked me. Why are you attacking me? Find him. Find him. You know what? He attacked me, sir. You gonna leave my house open, sir? Why is he attacking me? I got assaulted first.
I got it, dude.
What am I being arrested on?
Disorderly conduct, ma'am.
Disorderly conduct?
Yep.
Y'all come my house, sir. Please.
Sit down.
Yes, sir. Why are you attacking me for?
I'll win.
I listened to you. Why are
No,
you
by
arresting
yourself.
me?
Want to help out?
I want to go to the hospital.
We can talk to medical here.
All right, I'm going to go to the hospital to be
Okay,
attacked.
I'll talk to
I
medical.
don't need to. What's your name?
Lunsford. Step to the right.
I'm going to see the hospital.
Just have a seat.
I'm very busy.
Gabrielle was charged with disorderly conduct and criminal damage to property. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.